How were the Great Pyramids really built? What if the answer was hiding in plain sight this whole time? Well, there's a radical new theory that flips 4,000 years of thinking completely on its head. The Great Pyramid is made of over 2 million massive stone blocks. We're talking huge. It stands 146 meters tall. That's a 40-story building, an absolute marvel of ancient construction. And get this, the precision is stunning, especially with no modern tools. But one thing is totally missing. Yeah, how do they actually do it? We have payrolls and logbooks, but zero blueprints for construction. Okay, so the two most popular theories involve giant ramps, but both have, well, some critical flaws. The leading ideas just don't really fit the evidence, or the lack of it, for that matter. This is what's known as the apex problem. Ramps get in the way right when you need the most precision. So if ramps don't work, what does? Well, a researcher named Honichai has a wild new idea. See, he wasn't just trying to solve the pyramid. He was trying to solve the system that produces one. The big idea? Don't build a pyramid up. Carve one down from a much larger mass. They start with a hill, build a rough stacked mass, then just carve the final pyramid downwards. Simple. By carving downwards, you get a wide, stable platform right at the top. Boom, apex, problem solved. And this method? It also explains the single biggest mystery of that whole external ramp theory. Just look at the stone math. You've got about 2 million tons of leftover stone. So where did it go? The missing material wasn't lost at all. It was just recycled into the very next project. And other evidence starts to click too. These bonding stones suggest crews worked on all faces at once, which suggests the evidence wasn't lost to time but removed by design, maybe to restore the site's purity. So the absence of evidence isn't evidence of absence. Here, it might actually be an architectural detail. You have to wonder, will the pyramids ever give up all their secrets? Or is that the whole point?